911. Where's your emergency?
219 Bentwood Drive, Shepherdsville, Kentucky, 40165. My neighbor just came up to my door and just passed out, and I can't get her to wake up. She's
Okay, is she breathing?
She is.
How old is she?
I would say in her early 30s. And now she's screaming that her kids are dying. I don't know. I don't even know her name.
Shepherdsville, Kentucky, a small, quiet community just south of Louisville. A town where people know their neighbors and violent crime is rare. But in the fall of 2023, one mother's troubles were quietly mounting behind closed doors. Tiffanie Lucas was 32 years old, raising her two sons, 6-year-old Jaden and 9-year-old Maurice. Friends and relatives had begun to notice alarming changes in her behavior. On the morning of November 8th, 2023, the fragile balance of single motherhood and mental health collapsed.
This is 911.
Yes, next to 219 Bentwood Drive. My wife's on the phone. The kids, I just went in at our neighbor's house. The kid's, he's on the bed. He's all bloody.
There's a kid on the bed all bloody?
Yeah, in the neighbor's house. It's okay, buddy. It's okay, buddy. You okay?
Do we know what happened to him?
I have no idea. We just found our neighbor, the woman, their mom, just freaking out in my yard. There's blood all over the bed. There's a gun. There's two of them. They're both here. They're breathing.
Okay. There's two children?
Yes, ma'am.
And you cannot find a gunshot wound on him?
I did not see a gunshot wound. There's a case in here, though. And he's got blood on his face. And their mom is in our driveway laying on the ground. Oh, my God. Oh, my God.
The panic spills through the line. Two children fighting for their lives.
How far away is the ambulance?
You have police, fire, and EMS heading your way. Police will probably get there first because they're the closest.
Okay. Holy Hey, buddy. Are you okay?
Is he awake? Or is he still...
They're breathing. They're just not, responding to me at all.
Okay.
There's a lot of blood on the bed, a whole lot of blood. All right, he does have a bullet wound to his... All right, looks... the older of the two kids has one going through his right shoulder and exiting. I just saw that. Okay.
Okay.
Come on, buddy. Hey, stay with me. Come on. You're almost here. Oh, God. What the
11:13.
She conscious? She conscious? Ma'am, what's your name? Huh?
Tiffany.
I can't hear you.
Tiffany.
Tiffany?
Mm-hmm.
All right, Tiffany, I'm going to change these handcuffs out, okay? And then I'm going to roll you over and I'm going to sit you up, all right? Now I'm going to pick your hands up so you can take these off. Do not struggle. Do you understand me? Okay, now I want you to listen to me. I'm going to take this arm. You're going to roll this direction, okay? You're going to sit up at the same time. You understand? 1, 2, 3. Take this leg, fold it in, make that foot touch your knee. No, to the side, on the ground. Now we're going to roll again this way, and I'm going to assist you up on your feet, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Have you taken anything? Have you been drinking? Then why can't you stand up? You just don't feel like it, huh?
I said I don't feel right.
Don't feel right? Okay. I guess we'll put her in my car, and when EMS gets done in there, they can come over and check her out.
They get her upright, swap restraints, and try to move her toward a patrol car. She can barely stand. Her speech is faint.
She was over here when I rolled up. I did not Mirandize, and I did not ask her any questions. I changed out handcuffs, set her up, put her in my car for EMS.
Why was she cuffed? Why was she taken?
Because she apparently admitted to someone that she shot her kids.
We don't know who her dad, or was this guy here that said she did?
She come over here, fell out in the driveway. His wife seen it, which Christina got a statement from him. She got him, and apparently she told him that she shot her kids. He went over and looked and seen them, and then came over here and called.
And this is this guy right here?
Yeah. The gentleman in the green shirt and the female in the black pants and green shirt. Christina got a statement from them. I changed out the handcuffs so we didn't have to worry about that. Got her off of her face, rolled her over on her butt, got her up, put her in my car, turned the AC on.
She was told she was detained, right?
Oh yeah, she knew. The only thing she has said to me since that is, are they still alive?
Inside the house, paramedics are fighting to save her 2 boys. Both are gravely wounded.
How many's in here?
Just one kid here and one's gonna go in here.
Are they both breathing still?
One, they're pumping on him. The other one was still breathing. They're both shot in the head.
Oh, Lord.
I think he's shot in the head.
How old are they?
Shoulder, like 6 and 3, 6 and 4.
Oh, they're that small.
They're
6.
babies. Yeah, they're babies.
Oh my God.
The children are rushed out the door toward waiting ambulances.
207. This is Bullitt County Squad 7. Inbound your facility with juvenile, approximately 7 to 8 years old. GSW to the head. We have regained a pulse at this time. We do have a police escort. We are approximately 10 minutes out from your facility. Require any further?
As the boys are transported to the hospital, detectives step inside the bedroom where it happened and relay what they're seeing to officers outside.
I haven't moved anything. There's 4 shell casings on the bed, 2 on the bed, 2 on the floor. So she shot at least 4 times.
By midday, Tiffanie Lucas is loaded into a cruiser and driven to the sheriff's office. The case against her is already overwhelming. Still, her words are disjointed and unsettling.
Shot myself in my ear.
You shot yourself in the ear?
Which ear? I don't see anything. There's nothing there.
Okay.
Okay.
Where you?
We're gonna take her back to the interview room. I gotta go in and turn it on, so we want to wait till I get there, and that way we can view her and just keep an eye on her, okay?
Okay.
People aren't right.
Who ain't right?
People are not right. They're preying on children. It's just not right.
Her comments continue to veer further from reality.
He said, "You got earrings in, didn't he?"
Okay,
It's on
calm
him.
down. It's okay.
That don't have nothing to do with it.
It means everything. You're up. You're sick.
Yeah. No, I'm not seeing anything.
Get another set of vitals, and we'll go from there.
Okay.
Can you tell us what your name is?
Tiffanie Lucas.
Who?
Tiffanie Lucas.
Tiffanie Lucas.
Within hours, she will sit down in an interrogation room. There, detectives will press for answers, and what she tells them is even harder to comprehend.
I feel like I've been manipulated. The game systems and everything, been manipulating my children, manipulating my mind.
Who is?
All them game systems and, just everything.
She fixates on video games and electronics, convinced they can take control of her family.
The games, you said?
Yeah, like PlayStations, all the games the kids play.
Yeah.
It manipulates their minds and then gets your mind.
Later, investigators would testify that these outbursts were consistent with what she said from the start, that she had been, quote, manipulated through Facebook, the internet, or Wi-Fi into doing what she did. Detectives tried to steer her back to the crime at the center of it all, what she did to her children.
How old are your boys?
Jaden's 9, Mario's 6.
Well, I'm going to talk to you today about what happened earlier, okay? But can you tell me a little bit about yourself? I mean, where are you from, or where you grew up, or anything like that?
I know I look crazy, but I'm not.
Huh?
If I know I look crazy, but I'm not crazy.
I don't think you look crazy. I'm just trying to, if I'm going to talk to someone, I'd rather know who they are. I can tell you a little bit about me.
I love my children.
You tell me a little bit about you. Okay?
I love my children. I love my boys so much.
Oh, I know.
I wouldn't hurt them.
She insists she's a loving mother, but almost in the same breath, she blames outside forces for what she's done.
I was letting them play the video games, and I wasn't focusing how I was supposed to, and that video games and the YouTube and the kids, it just messes their minds up. Haven't you ever heard anything like that before?
I mean, yeah.
Like, I really feel like it is manipulating for the children, and they get into the children's homes and, you know, break the families up. That's what I feel.
I mean, you could be right.
I am right.
Yeah.
I know I'm right.
Yeah.
And you do too.
Yeah.
You do.
I mean,
you just know.
The stuff that's on the internet that you have access to now is
it's
terrible.
It's terrible for the kids, and they need to stop. Like, my kids are beautiful angels, you know, and...
Were they misbehaving earlier?
No.
No?
No. They're perfect.
They are? Do you know what happened to them today? Can you talk to me about that?
I just did.
I
just did.
Her contradictions are stark. She claims deep devotion to her sons while blaming YouTube and video games for corrupting them. Relatives would later say Child Protective Services had been called to the house before, warning signs that something was off. When pressed, Lucas introduces a name.
I feel like someone tried to manipulate me through my phone, you know, manipulate me through my house, doing stuff to me.
What are they doing to you?
Manipulating my mind. Parker Borders. His name is Parker Borders.
What about him?
He lives in Bardstown, and I'm pretty sure he's been manipulating my mind for like 3 years.
Really?
Through my phone, putting up things in my house, like real evil, dark, weird stuff, like trying to...
Like trying to get you to do things?
Yeah, like alter my mind, like completely like flip me. Like, I'm a woman of God. I don't do...
Yeah.
You don't hurt your children. You protect them. And I feel like I have to protect my children.
Right.
Like, you know, I love my kids.
I know you do.
I would never do something like this unless someone manipulated me.
To Lucas, Parker Borders is the person who invaded her thoughts, flipped her mind, and left her unable to protect her children.
So do you think Parker actually manipulated you into hurting your kids? Did he actually tell you in person?
No, but he controls my phone, all my bills are in his name, like he has too much access to me, you know?
Right.
So I feel like he manipulated my mind, you know? I would never hurt my children.
Who is this Parker guy to you? Just a friend, or?
Like a sugar daddy type thing. Before, I had a friend who was with him, and she mysteriously passed away in a car wreck. So I just feel uncomfortable. I don't know. I feel like it's him. It's not me. It's not me. I'm right with God, so I know it's not me. I know. It's not in my mind.
Yeah.
It's not me. It just isn't.
Did he provide you with a firearm, with a gun?
Yes, it was his.
Investigators listening know differently. A handgun was found on the bed next to her son's, and 6 shell casings scattered across the room. Surveillance audio from a doorbell camera had captured the sound of 4 gunshots. Neighbors had heard her screams immediately after. Every piece of evidence in that house pointed back to her. But in the interview room, she insists the gun belongs to someone else.
So that gun that was, I guess, in the house, in the bedroom or whatever, that's his gun?
Yes.
Why'd he give it to you?
I don't know.
How long ago did he give it to you, you remember? Like years, months, days, what?
I don't know.
Don't remember?
Been a while.
Been a while? What do you remember him telling you in your mind to do, or persuading you to do?
I just don't know. He just, you know, it's happened once before. Like, I got like a weird feeling, like it just felt weird. And then here recently it just felt weird. I'm a good mom. Like, I'm a really good woman. I'm a mother, you know? I have veneers and everything.
I'm sorry?
I said I have veneers and everything. I don't look like this.
Okay. Do you remember hurting your sons today? I mean, you remember it, but I'm not saying it's you.
It's not me.
It's not you.
It's
like
not.
You said.
I know it's not me. I would never hurt my children.
Right.
Her responses make little sense. Detectives try again, but she insists on her innocence. They document every contradiction. For them, the facts are already clear. But for Lucas, reality is a moving target, always someone else's fault, always a manipulation.
Manipulating.
Manipulating is the best word.
Through the phones. Wi-Fi, all of that.
Now, once he manipulated you and pushed you into doing this, what do you remember firing a weapon at them today? I mean, you remember that, right? No? Do you know how many times you shot? That you pulled the trigger today? No? Let me ask you this. After you hurt your sons with the gun, did you think they had passed away, or do you think they was just wounded and would be okay? Because they're both okay. Neither one of them's passed away. But what did you think? Did you think you had killed them?
I just don't know. I have no words.
Now you went next door to knock on the neighbor's door to get help, right? Okay. When you went over there, what were you going over there for? Just to ask for help?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm guessing since you were going over there to ask for help, you had saw that your sons had been injured, right? And were bleeding. You saw that, right? I mean, I know it's a hard thing to think about. And I know it wasn't you. I know that's not you. I mean, you're being manipulated, as you said. I understand that. But physically, you're the one who pulled the trigger. Even though that's not you. And somebody else is pushing you to do that or manipulating you to do that, you pulled the trigger on the weapon. Is that correct?
Mm-mm.
It's not correct?
Mm-mm.
How did your sons get shot then?
I just don't know.
You don't know?
I have no words.
How long after your boys got hurt? How long did you immediately go next door to ask for help, or did you wait for a while, or what? But do you think it was an accident today, or did you mean to shoot?
I just can't talk.
Hey, look at me for a second, please. How many times did you shoot each one of them? Multiple times? One time, two times, what?
I have no words.
Hmm?
I have no words.
You don't know how many times you shot them? So I guess did you just keep pulling the trigger until it was empty, or what?
No. I just don't have anything to say right now.
Did anybody spend the night with you and your kids last night? Huh? Yes or no? Hey, I know you can hear me. Yes or no?
I'm not sure. I don't know. I feel like he's been living in the house with me. I don't know. It's been so weird.
Yeah.
I've been trying to get him out of there. I don't know what is going on.
Detectives push harder, trying to get a straight answer, but her responses stay slippery. Half admissions, half paranoia. She keeps circling back to Parker Borders.
Parker.
Parker was in the house today? Hey, answer.
I don't entirely know.
You don't know?
I don't entirely know.
You don't know if he was in the house today?
No, I feel like he's been playing with my mind, like coming and going, like...
Well, that's fine, but did you actually see him? Did he show up today into your house? Huh? Yes or no?
No.
Huh? Yes or no? No?
No.
Okay. Was anybody else in your house today other than you or your kids?
For investigators, the name is as much a mystery as her story. They don't know if he's a real person or just another figment of her unraveling mind. Interestingly, there is a person by that name in nearby Bardstown, documented in a 2020 obituary as a son named Parker Borders. That confirms the name is local, but nothing in court records, police reports, or media coverage links him to this case. If Parker played a role here, public records offer no proof. The back and forth stalls, then shifts into a new line of questioning, whether she understands what has happened to her children.
Are you concerned about how your sons are doing?
Yes. Can't stop thinking about it. Are they okay?
They're both okay.
I just can't stop thinking about it. I don't even know. I'm so scared.
What are you scared of?
Losing my children.
I'm sorry? Say it again. Losing what?
My children.
Oh, okay. I know you say you're a good mom, and I believe you. And you say you love them, and I believe you there, too. I really, really do. But if you love them so much, I'm just... What made you shoot them? You know? It's hard for me to understand. I wish I could hear you answer. Why? Do you think Parker manipulated you to the point that he had you shoot your kids?
I know ultimately the mom that I am and the person that I am.
Mm-hmm.
I know God wouldn't do that to me, but I know people will do that. The system, and I just know what I know. That's all. And that's it.
It's clear that Tiffanie Lucas is not well, and she's cognizant of that herself. She asked to be evaluated.
I need a psych evaluation immediately.
Have you ever spoken to psychiatrist, psychologist before?
Yes. Yes.
You think they could...
I need a mental evaluation right now.
Do you think they would be able to
I
help?
don't have nothing else to say until I get a mental evaluation.
Do you think they would help you figure out
Yes.
why you shot him?
I didn't.
Who did it then?
I told you.
No, you didn't. Who shot him if you didn't? Who shot him if you didn't? Who did it? Tell me who did it. Hey, tell me who did it.
Can you just send me the mental, please?
Can
you just take me to the mental?
We'll help you out there. But if you didn't do it, who did it?
I don't have nothing else to say. Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses.
Her words dissolve into prayer, a way to wall herself off from the detectives across the table. For several minutes, the room sits in silence, broken only by her murmured recitations. Then, almost abruptly, she pivots back, her focus no longer on God, but on her boys.
Where are my kids?
I can't hear you.
Where are my children?
I can't hear you.
Where are my children at?
Okay. They are at the hospital.
What state are they in?
Both of them are still alive. They're in critical condition.
It's the last meaningful exchange of the interview. The detectives have heard all they need: her denials, her stories of manipulation, her prayers, and now her plea to know what became of her boys. The session ends not with a confession or clarity, but with two children fighting for their lives and a mother unable or unwilling to explain why she pulled the trigger. When the questioning ends, detectives escort Tiffanie Lucas from the interview room and into the jail's chain of custody. Later that same day, both of her sons succumb to their injuries and die at the hospital. Lucas is booked into the Bullitt County Detention Center, charged with 2 counts of murder. Her bond is set at $2 million. From that moment on, she would never walk free again. In custody, she waits for nearly a year as the legal process churns forward. Motions are filed, hearings are held, and her attorneys signal they are preparing to argue insanity. But Lucas stays behind bars the entire time, her case inching toward trial. Almost a year after her arrest, Tiffanie Lucas abandons the insanity defense her lawyers had floated and instead walks into a Bullitt County courtroom to plead guilty. It's an open plea, no deal, no leniency. This puts her future entirely in the hands of the judge. That future was decided in November 2024 when the courthouse filled with family, neighbors, reporters, and much of Shepherdsville, Kentucky. Relatives of Jaden and Maurice spoke about birthdays never celebrated, milestones cut short, and the grief that now defined their families. Among those who took the stand was Jaden's grandmother. For her, this loss was almost unbearable.
You know we love Jaden and Maurice. You have ripped our lives apart. And you know that you could have gave them kids to us and we would have took care of them. But you have been selfish. My heart is in pieces. Every second of the day I hurt. And I hope they give you 2 life sentences without the possibility of parole. I want you to suffer just like I'm suffering right now. They did not deserve that. And we all love them so much, Jaden and Maurice. I don't have nothing else to say. She just knows, she knows she done ripped us apart.
When Judge Rodney Burris delivered his ruling, he handed down the maximum.
Case number 23 CR 404, Commonwealth of Kentucky versus Tiffanie Lucas as to count 1. The court will adjudge the defendant guilty of the offense of murder and fix her sentence at life in prison. On count 2, the court will adjudge the defendant guilty of the offense of murder and fix her sentence at life in prison. This time, the court will order that the Sheriff's Department deliver the defendant to the custody of the Corrections Cabinet for service of her sentence of imprisonment. That's all for today. Court will be adjourned.
She should have gotten more. Life is 20 years. So in 20 years, she'll go up for parole. In 20 years, she'll be about 52. You can still have kids at 52. Once again, I feel like they didn't get the justice they deserved.
Even with a conviction and 2 life sentences, the scars remain. The echo of that November morning and the lives it took still ripple through the community. For Law&Crime Investigates, I'm Kristin Thorne.